Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So I want to talk to you all about the Ultracycle U-Lock. This is the standard model. It is the 1450, I think 4.25 inches by 8 inches. So it's a really nice little lock, comes with a bracket as well, a couple keys, and we'll talk about. I essentially wanted to get one of these because I had a chain lock before, one of the old school ones, and I started leaving. We're kind of in a moving process, so a lot of our stuff is being put in our garage. I needed a way to store my bike outside, and I wanted to make sure that it was safe. And honestly, those chain locks, they're just not the most reliable. I see tons of bikes that get stolen with those things on them. So that's why I wanted to get a solid U-lock, and this is the one I chose. And so far, it's been awesome. Nice, very inexpensive lock that works great on just about any bike. Talk a little about the build. So it's very strong, very lightweight as well, easy to carry around, lightweight especially for the durability on this thing. The lock is made to be totally drill proof, totally pick proof, and cut resistant. Obviously I've never tried those things on it because just in case it really totally isn't all the way, I don't want to break it. But with these, you have some pretty strong steel, so you're not gonna have to worry about that. And I can again keep it locked up outside, or even when I'm going to the store or whatever, and I don't have to worry about it. The shackle on this thing is 13 millimeter hardened steel, so again, no one's getting through that thing. You are pretty secure. There's also a rubber finish that you can see that goes around this black piece right here. This is essentially a rubber jacket. I like that for a couple reasons. One, I ride my bike, I usually have this hanging on the handlebar, so I don't have to worry about the steel from the lock scratching up my handlebars or anything. The rubber kind of is almost essentially a protective coating around it. Also, I'll usually take my bike and ride it down to post up at a coffee shop for a while or eat or something like that. My bike's sitting outside in the sun, so it's nice that the lock doesn't get hot because it's steel sitting in the sun. Instead, you have the rubber coating, so you don't have to worry about that. Essentially, it's just a softer and easier way to transport this thing, which I really dig. It is nice and big. Like I said, it's about 8 inches, I think, from top to bottom, so really any frame on any bike, you should be able to fit it. And also just fit it in multiple positions. Sometimes, I can't fit it from the seat post, so I'll have to do it from a different, part of my bike, and I never have to worry about it being too slim or too short to actually fit around it, or the pole that it's being locked to, It comes with 2 keys. As you can see right here, these are the 2 keys. They're identical keys, so it's nice just in case you lose them. Lose one, you have the other one. I just keep them both on me. Also come with a little key ring, so I keep around my carabiner. And it's very easy to unlock. I'm gonna try and unlock it with one hand. Let's see if I can do this. Boom. There we go. There we go. Much easier with 2 hands, but typically you'll find that there's a pretty quick release on this thing, which is nice. Don't have to worry too much about, struggling with the lock. Obviously, if you're using one hand, it's a little bit difficult because you can't pull both sides, but for the most part, it's very smooth. And then, fits in there really nicely. You also have this little plastic piece that you can move just so you can cover the lock. And this is great just to make sure, if you're leaving it outside, you don't get any dirt or any other debris inside the lock. It's always going to be nice and clean so that when you do have to use it, you're not, struggling any more than you need to. Yeah, I mean, I've definitely used some bike locks that are more of a hassle as well to open. Like my older one, it just, locking it was kind of a burden. Overall, it's really nice and simple. Pretty much your traditional U-lock. Ultracycle makes a ton of these. Again, this is the 1450 model. Definitely standard and a little cheaper, but also you know, really solid quality. So I would highly recommend this to anyone who needs a new bike lock, and especially if you're looking for a great, durable, really steel-proof U-lock, then this is one of the ones to check out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.